Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richie Man. In fact, guys, Arsenal lost the game. Arsenal, the Gunners, gun could not shoot today. I can't believe this. How on earth Arsenal will continue to be Arsenal? Arsenal will continue to be bottleless. In fact, this is the reason why they always finish second. This kind of games, competitive games as this, kill contents game as this, if you can't win, don't lose. If you can't win, don't lose. And guys, I can tell you that Arsenal was having the upper hand to win this game, especially during the first half. You see, the first half, it was Arsenal 45 minutes, but they could not utilize it, take up their chances, create something better from the first 45 minutes in that game. Liverpool, they were defending and trying to use their long balls, but it didn't work during the first half. But Arsenal's problem was that no creativity. They were trying to use Martinelli's side and it wasn't working. Martinelli wasn't in that game. He could not even have a simple control. Martinelli and our Madueke and our Madueke part was working a little bit. His pressure when he is dribbling with the ball into the box. But Madueke, as Chelsea fans, we knew him better. Yes, he always want to score. He don't want to cross the ball. So Arsenal, they could have done better in the first half and get their goal. Yes, and won this game. But as I said, no creativity. They were just passing around. And in football, possession doesn't mean progression. You can pass, you can have the ball, but if you can't score, it's nothing. It's nothing before the decimal point. So Arsenal, in fact, I think they could not win this game is because they were lacking that creativity. Yes, and their attack, there wasn't any pattern. They were just passing the ball to the wings to Martinelli, who could not even control the ball. Madueke will dribble and over dribble. There wasn't any pattern of attack. No creativity from Arsenal. No creativity. They were just playing for fun. They were just playing for entertainment sake. They were just playing beautiful football. This is Anfield. It's very difficult venue. So if you go there, make sure that no matter how you are going to do and get the goals, do it. But Arsenal, as I said, they were playing beautiful football as if they are playing against small team. No. This is Liverpool. This is Anfield. If not Chelsea, who will go to Anfield and stop them? Arsenal, if you go to Anfield, play anyhow to get your goals. Don't try to play beautiful football and what. So for me, I think Arsenal could not win the game because they didn't take up their chances during the first 45 minutes in this game. Yes. And let's come to Liverpool. See, Liverpool or Anislo Liverpool, I hate them. Why? This Liverpool team, if they beat you, you will say that, okay, Liverpool beat me, but he doesn't deserve it. Because their style of play, the way they are playing their football, see, it doesn't look attractive. They are playing direct attacking football. And slow Liverpool is playing direct attacking football. They don't care about possession. They don't care about beautiful football or let's do some passing in the midfield, what. Apart from building from the back, after when they build from the back, long ball to Salah. Or they will give through pass trying to break your defense line. Or they will give another through pass to the other wing. Yes, this Liverpool team, they are playing winning football. They want to score goals and win football game. They don't care about how they play. What they care is putting the ball at the back of the net. That is why I said that if this Liverpool team beats you, as a fan, it will pace you a lot because you said that, okay, this Liverpool, they didn't do anything in the game, but at the end they beat me. At the end they scored the goals, and that matters. That matters in football. You say this and a slow system and a slow tactics. See, unless you stop them, if you can stop Salah or if you can stop his wingers or if you can press very well those midfielders who are going to give that through passes to the wing side or to break the defensive line, if you can press them, yes, and force them not to give the pass, there you can stop them and stop Salah as compared to last season when Mendy's pocketed Salah. That is the only way you can stop this Liverpool team. Apart from that, 1, 2 or 3 through pass, they are done and dusted. And they didn't score in open play because they were in rush. Any time that they went on attack, Liverpool attackers, they were in rush. Yes, they were hesitating to shoot. They were not coming on the ball, taking their time on the ball. By the way, Arsenal could have done better. Games as this, as I said, If you can't win, don't lose. Don't lose. This is a big game. These two teams are the big teams in England competing for the Premier League. At the end of this season, Liverpool can win the Premier League. At the end of this season, Arsenal can win the Premier League. At the end of this season, Chelsea can also win the Premier League. So, facing your opponent rival, big rival, if you can win, don't lose. At least draw. And as a Chelsea fan, I was hoping for that. I was praying for that. For them to even play draw. 0-0. Yes, not even scoring. Because at that time, I was topping the table. World champions. We were topping the table. By now, Liverpool is topping the table. 3 games, 3 wins, 9 points. And Chelsea, we had 7 points. And Arsenal has 6 points. So, we are going to the international break. That is why I said Arsenal is supposed to try and draw this game. Going to the international break. Because after returning, some teams will go off form and some teams will pick form. I know United fans, they are praying that the time that will return, United will pick form. And watching this game, can Manchester play either Arsenal or Liverpool? Yes, we can play. See, the only difference from this season Chelsea and last season Chelsea is that this season we can score. This season we have a striker who is clinical, who is efficiency. And as we won against Fulham, like some people said that we didn't play good football, we didn't deserve to win, and that is the Premier League. Not every day that we should play deserving football or deserving win. Some days just score the goals and go. And when you look at last season, both against Arsenal and Liverpool, we overplayed them. We played beautiful football. We did everything that we can do in those games, but who will put the ball at the back of the net? That was our problem. So for me, this season, I believe we can beat Liverpool. If on that day our strikers come to the occasion, our attackers come to the occasion, we can beat Arsenal and we can beat Liverpool. As I said, there wasn't creativity from Arsenal attack in this game. And Chelsea, our attack, the creativity is there. Without Cole Palmer, we are scoring 5 goals, 6 goals, 7 goals. So now imagine with Cole Palmer. Imagine with Cole Palmer. Without Cole Palmer against West Ham, 5 goals. Without Cole Palmer against Fulham, 2 goals, clean sheet. So imagine with Cole Palmer. In the Club World Cup, we could saw the connectivity from Cole Palmer and João Pedro. Yes, so we are wishing them all the best. Our players, they go to the international break and return safely because injuries are issues. As we are speaking now, Zilab is injured. And that video is coming about Nicola Jackson update, whether he's coming to Chelsea or not. And Fermin Lopez update coming to Chelsea. And information even said that Zilab may go out for something like 6 to 8 weeks. Yes, information just came right now. But that video is coming. So please turn on the notification bell. Hit the like button, hit the subscription button. If any new video come on this channel, you will be the first person to see it. And I'll give you another video on this channel. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. Take care, peace.